Yunivasite. They are coming to form a memorandum and a collaboration with Seeta Yunivasite, where we'll be exchanging students, we'll be exchanging studying programs, we'll be also exchanging staff. Our students will have opportunities to study some courses here for 2 years and then proceed to Teesside University, where they will study and they get dual degrees. They get a degree from Teesside and also another one from Seeta Yunivasite. This is a good opportunity because it allows our students to get hands-on and to get exposed to outside technologies, because we are proceeding in a century high digital networks, and this will be a very good opportunity for our students for exposure.
My specialty is business at Teesside University. I teach public health from the School of Health and Life Sciences. I'm also the program leader for the doctorate in public health at Teesside University. Today, we have started the process of developing a collaboration between Seeta Yunivasite and Teesside University for purposes of developing a workforce here in Uganda that is globally relevant. The collaboration will ensure collaborative provision of courses. We will have arrangements where students can actually take part of the course here and the other part of the course at Teesside University. The collaboration will also support exchange programs to expose students data and also support collaborative research between the institutions. Why we are focusing in on this collaboration is because in the contemporary world today, students have to be globally relevant. They have to be exposed. We have to move away from training students that look for employment in one part of the world, in one country, but they can actually be globally relevant and be employed anywhere, which is why we want to use these collaborations to expose them better. So within this collaboration, we will bring experts from Teesside University who will share expertise. There will be knowledge exchange. We will ensure that they experience in setting systems that are globally outstanding can be shared with Seeta University. The same systems that will help our students better.
Formulated a partnership with Teesside University in the UK. This partnership is going to enable student mobility. Someone start from Uganda and go and complete that program in the UK, or the other way around. Someone from the UK to come and complete this program at Seeta Yunivasite. This collaboration gives exposure to students to have a feel of globally organized institution in terms of technology, in terms of equipment, and other facilities we have here in Uganda. So that's why we have decided to ensure that we come up with such arrangements to ensure that we produce a full package of student development to be able to thrive anywhere in the world. It's a Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Nursing, it's Bachelor of Artificial Intelligence, Bachelor of Computer Science, Bachelor of Software Engineering, Bachelor of Information Technology. That's IT and Health Sciences and Public Health. Also in business area, we have a Bachelor of Business Management with 5 tracks: accounting and finance, marketing, human resource, entrepreneurship,